Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? So I'm here in the clinic with my NP. He's right there doing his training. Jaime Valles, sub-investigator. Sub-investigator of the year award goes to Jaime Valles.
There you go.
So
The only one.
the only one. So we got I'm gonna go through some startup regulatory stuff that we finished after the SIV. So the first thing I got, I can't show you the forms, but the first thing I got is an equipment packing list. And this is basically all the stuff that came with the EKG. So it's like a long list of things that you have to confirm you actually received. You have to sign, scan that back. The next thing we have is the SIV, Site Initiation Visit Investigator Meeting Attendance Sheet. So anybody from the site who attended the SIV signs this form on the day of, and anybody who was not, it's also a checklist of what the training entailed. Anyone who is not attending the SIV, they have to sign a separate training log, which in this case is a project-specific training log, but it could be, the name could vary, but the fact that the people who did not attend the SIV need to do the training log. The next thing is delegation of authorities log. So I have 7 people on this log. One of them is just regulatory. One of them is a sub-by. Another one's a sub-by. Jaime is a sub-by. Then we get the PI. And then we got myself. So everyone has different delegated functions. Everyone has different start dates because of when they did the training. That's something that's very important. You cannot put a start date on the delegation log before that individual has done the protocol training. So if they did not attend the SIV, they can't put a start date as the date of the SIV. It has to be when they started their training or when they completed their training. The next form is simple. It's a monitoring visit log. Very simple. The next form is a training log for the people that did not attend the SIV. Then we have financial disclosure forms, which you should have had done prior to SIV, which we did. 1572, which you should have had prior to SIV, which we did. And the protocol signature page, which you should have had prior to SIV, which we did. So these are a few things that we needed to do post SIV, which I've never done a video on. So post SIV, because you have action items after your SIV, so you're not able to screen patients even after your SIV until you complete all your action items. So that's what we're doing today. Besides getting these things done, we are doing our training for different vendor portals. We're doing the lab training, central lab, and we're doing the ECG training. And if we have time, we'll do the EDC training too. So post SIV activities, always fun. At the end of the day, I'll interview Jaime because he's going through this for the first time.
Oh, yeah.
How it went. We'll report back to you guys. Take care.